What's gonna YouTube? In this video I'm gonna show you how to move your project from Premiere Pro into DaVinci Resolve. For example, you have been cutted your project in Premiere Pro and you just want to move it into DaVinci Resolve to make color grading. So now let me show you the way how you can do this method. So now for here in Premiere Pro, this is my project that I have been cutted. You see guys, I've already cut my project, okay, but for right now it has no color, so that's the reason why I just want to put it in DaVinci Resolve to make color grading. Okay, so and then there is no other things which have been added, it's only cutting. Okay, so now the things I have to do, and I have to come here on this file, okay, and then go here on export. So guys, don't go here on media, cause here on media is to export as normally. Okay, so now you just have to come here on this Final Cut Pro XML. Okay, so now you have to click here on it, and then here you can go to save it where you want. For example, let me just save this here on this local disk. Okay, and then you just, so let me just call it like video dr. Okay, and then I have to click here on save. Okay, so now when it's done, you just press OK, and then the next step I'm going to jump on DaVinci Resolve. So now I have to open up DaVinci Resolve. Okay, yeah, this is my DaVinci Resolve, and then I'm going to create the new project and then press here on new project. Okay, here I can rename it like music color, for example, music color, and then you click here on create. So and then my DaVinci, it is already opened. Okay, so and I'm going to jump on edit workspace. So guys, for more DaVinci software, you can see all the workspace down here. Okay, there is media, cut, edit, fusion, something like that, but I have, for me, my workspace is located here on workspace, and then switch to page edit. Okay, so now I'm in the edit workspace and I'm going to import my Premiere Pro project. Okay, so right click here on this panel and then go here on these timelines. Okay, just go here on import and then choose this extension, or you can use this Control Shift plus I. Okay, so now I have to click on it, and then I'm going to browse where my project I have been saved. Okay, it is on this local disk. Now this is my project, so now double click here on it. Now you see what the kind of the message you get. Okay, so that means my video, it is on 4K. Okay, so and it is called this name, and then I have to press OK. Now you see all the project, all the clips, now it is here on DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so you see guys how it is. Okay, now it reaches in DaVinci Resolve. Guys, sometimes you can miss some clips. For example, there is some clips you don't see here on it. Okay, there is some, maybe you missed the audio, so now you will see like a red warning. Okay, so now the things you have to do, for example, you have to select all clips. When you miss some clips, for example, you have to select those all clips. Okay, or just Control plus A, and then you have to right click on it and then you go here on relink, select the clip. Okay, so now after that you just go there where your clip was saved. For example, where your clips, where your, just you have to go on folder where your clips are saved. For example, my clip are saved here on this folder. Okay, so yes, okay, this clip, it is saved here on this folder. Okay, I just go here on this folder, open it, and then I click select folder. So now yes, your DaVinci Resolve will make the research for that missing clips, and then you can get your all clips. So now this is the first method, guys. This method, it works for when you have already done to cut only your clips. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you another method. For example, you have already added the title, adjustment layer, some effect, some transition in Premiere Pro, guys. Okay, and then you, for example, you have already done for editing the whole project in Premiere Pro, so now you just want to move it in DaVinci Resolve to making the color grading only. Okay, so guys, and then you just come back here on Premiere Pro. Okay, so now you have to export your video as normally. So now the things you have to do, you have to go here on export. Okay, this second method is for when you have already done cutting your music video, adding transition, adding effect, adding the title animation, adding all the things you want. Okay, so and then you have to put it in DaVinci Resolve, because in DaVinci Resolve the effect which is in Premiere Pro, it doesn't work in DaVinci Resolve, and transition doesn't work in DaVinci Resolve, because DaVinci Resolve has their own transition, has their own effect. That's the reason why you have to export in this way. So and then here you can just choose your name of your project you want, and then here you can just choose your location file. And guys, for this format you have to come here and choose this QuickTime. Okay, so and then after choosing this QuickTime, and then you have to open up this video. Okay, and then you come here for this video codec, and you have to choose this Apple ProRes 444. Okay, and then you have to choose this 444, and then after choosing this 444, guys, now it is time to making an export, guys. For example, the video which has like a 3 minute, okay, or 4 minute, it will took around like 30 GBs of the size. Okay, so now you hear the estimate file size, it is unknown. Okay, because we have already choose this Apple ProRes and then this QuickTime. But for normally, when you just want to export your video as normally, so now here you can check it out, it has only 3 GB. Okay, but when you're going to import it in the DaVinci Resolve, and then you have to choose this QuickTime. Okay, and then your video, it will took like more GBs. Okay, so it is the best way to export this video in this way when you just want to add the color grading in the DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so now this is the way you can use for importing your project from Premiere Pro into the DaVinci Resolve. So if you have any question, guys, please drop it in the comment down below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to make subscribe, like, share, leave your thumbs up, and I will see you in next video. Peace.